break a news that's coming in from West Bengal. What we are getting to know that Union Minister V. Muralidharan's convoy has been attacked in West Mednipur area of West Bengal. This is yet another attack that is taking place against a union minister and a BJP leader, and he's also been speaking on the same, where he was attacked in West Bengal, where the TMC goons that has now been alleged pelted stones on his car. We are continuously putting those visuals across of the union minister, the central minister V. Muralidharan, who says that he was attacked in West Mednipur area of West Bengal, and this he was when he was visiting the violent hit areas there, as we are looking at a point where BJP leaders, especially after the post-poll violence that has been reported in several areas of West Bengal, have been going to the state and have been supervising especially the BJP karyakartas there after the elections took place. Now, the union minister, when he was also talking about this incident, has now alleged that it was TMC goons who had pelted stones at his car, and he alleges that his convoy was attacked. This pictures on your screens is coming in from the West Mednipur area of West Bengal. We're looking at a union minister now who claims that he has been attacked, his convoy that has been attacked in the state of West Bengal. He's alleging that it is TMC's hand behind this political violence that has now been reported in the state of West Bengal. So case after case that continues to be reported there of political violence. This is Union Minister V. Muralidharan's convoy that is said to have been attacked in West Mednipur area of West Bengal. Let me go across to Himanshu now. Himanshu, जानकारी दीजिए, क्योंकि बताया जा रहा है एक और यूनियन मिनिस्टर के ऊपर हमला किया गया है वेस्ट मेदिनीपुर से, ये तस्वीरें आ रही हैं।
बिल्कुल, देखिए, जो जिस तरीके से वी मुरलीधरन वहां पर गए हुए थे, क्योंकि केंद्र की तरफ से डेलीगेशन भी भेजा गया है और वहां पर एक बार फिर से केंद्र सरकार के एक मंत्री पर हमला हो जाना, और उसमें ये बताया जा रहा है कि बीजेपी की तरफ से यही भी आरोप लगाया जा रहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं वो जो जिन लोगों ने हमला किया है वो टीएमसी से ताल्लुक।
हिमांशु, मैं आपको रोकूंगी। राहुल सिन्हा is with us on the phone line. Let me just quickly go across to him because we are looking at the situation that does not seem to be in any control there, Mr. Sinha. At this point, we are looking at a union minister's convoy being attacked in West Mednipur.
देखिए, एक्चुअली वो जो वेस्ट मिदनापुर तो बड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, बड़ा जगह है, लेकिन वो वेस्ट मिदनापुर हेडक्वार्टर में है और हेडक्वार्टर का 4 किलोमीटर दूर ये घटना हुआ और पुलिस भी काफी मात्रा में थे और पुलिस सारे पहले भागा। जब तृणमूल का लोग डंडा लेके और पथराव लेके आगे बढ़ रहा था, उसमें पुलिस जाके उसमें बैरिकेड कर देता तो कुछ नहीं होता, लेकिन पुलिस सबसे आगे भागा और पुलिस जब भागने लगा तब उन लोगों का मनोबल बढ़ गया। और
राहुल सिन्हा सर, मैं आपको रोकूंगी। वी मुरलीधरन सर हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पर जुड़ रहे, द यूनियन मिनिस्टर हिमसेल्फ। सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर टेकिंग आउट योर टाइम. Can you exactly tell us what had happened, the attack that you've been alleging took place on your convoy?
So I am in Midnapur, West Midnapur of Western Bengal. I had visited this place to meet the BJP sympathizers and others who have been attacked after the in the post-poll violence. And after meeting the workers, I had gone to to see the places where the attacks had happened. I visited some of the houses in the outskirts of Midnapur in a place called Panchpuri, and in the KGC Gramin Assembly, a group of people supposed to be TMC workers, they came with brickbats and the big sticks and all, attacked the convoy. The vehicle, the government vehicle in which I was traveling, and my pilot vehicle were attacked. The glasses have been broken. The driver who was driving my vehicle has got a minor injury, I can say, on his head. I am not injured.
But Muralidharan sir, can you also tell us about the ground situation there? As you say that you have been yourself there to take stock of the situation, what's been happening there, sir? Can you tell us?
See, the situation is really alarming and anarchy is there. The General Minister's convoy can be attacked. It shows the lawlessness that is there. After the win, the cadres of Trinamool Congress, they are let loose on the people of West Bengal who are not supported them. Anybody who is supposed to be not a sympathizer of TMC are being attacked.
Sir, any sort of action that has been now taken after this attack that you have said that has taken place against you in West Midnapur? Any reaction that is coming in?
See, the police is helpless. That is what I understand. I had the police pilots and security people and all, but everybody had to withdraw from the scene in spite of having all the required arms and other things with them.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. V. Muralidharan, Union Minister, for joining us here on the broadcast. You say that your convoy was attacked there in West Midnapur area where he was taking stock of the situation, as we are looking at many BJP leaders there who are in West Bengal to supervise, and they are in touch with the BJP Karyakartas there. But this is another attack that has now been reported there from West Bengal itself, where JP Nadda, the national president of the BJP, was also there in the state of West Bengal, and he has been also demanding answers to the situation that has been prevailing in the state of West Bengal. This is Union Minister V. Muralidharan. We heard him live here on the channel that he is claiming that he was attacked by the leading ruling party there in the state of West Bengal, and he is claiming that his convoy that was attacked while he was in the areas of West Midnapur supervising and monitoring those areas. When his convoy came under attack, his convoy was pelted with stones, and also saying that his car was damaged, the window panes were damaged, and there have been little injuries too that has now been attacked by the driver of the car. So these are the pictures that are coming in at this point. We are going to go to Aishwarya, who is getting us more details on the same. Aishwarya, we were just speaking to the Union Minister himself. He's been claiming that for now the situation there doesn't look good.
Well, absolutely. At this point of time, he was in and around Midnapur, where his convoy has been attacked. The window panes of the cars have been completely shattered. So there are wood sticks in his cars which have been thrown, stones, boulders. So the situation seems as if it is very tense out there. And we are talking about ministers, we are talking about individuals who move in X, Y, Z level of security, who have their minimum 4 to 5 armed police officers with them. And if they can be attacked, the condition or the situation of the common people can just be understood. So this is the very ground reality. We are being told that he's directly going to go to the local police station and then file a complaint. He says that he has been able to identify. That is what we are being told. He has also basically said that the police escorts have taken photographs, visual proof of the individuals who have attacked him. And yes, all of this is happening as we speak. We are getting the visuals as well. He was moving in a white SUV, and then there were 3 escort cars in and around him, and all of them have been completely ransacked, window panes broken by the local mob. He says that it was instigated by around 5 to 6 people, and he is blaming TNC. So V. Muralidharan seems to be openly blaming the West Bengal government and then the TMC. But then he is also in the same breath mentioning that yes, it was initiated by 4 or 5 people, but then it came down to a mob, and yes.
Aishwarya, also if you can give us details of how many BJP leaders that can be seen there in the state of West Bengal, because JP Nadda was also there, the Union Minister V. Muralidharan was also there in West Bengal. So they have been claiming that such kind of situation continues to prevail there in the state of West Bengal. All right, Aishwarya will be back with us soon, but a quick recap of what's been happening there in West Bengal and West Midnapur. This is Union Minister V. Muralidharan, who has been claiming, he's been alleging that his convoy was attacked while he was on a visit to the West Midnapur area where his convoy was attacked, and he has been describing to us the attack that is also there has happened against him there in the state of West Bengal. We continue picking up multiple reactions on the same. Let's move on.